In this video, we shows how to create a wall in Revit. A wall is a fundamental part of the superstructure that defines an area and carries a loads. We build walls for the security purpose, soundproofing, safety from fire and other hazards. For showing wall tool, here we are opening a plinth level in floor plan of a building. The wall tool is on Architecture toolbar. Click on the Architecture toolbar. We can see the wall tool on Build panel. Choose Wall Architecture from the Wall drop-down menu. For editing wall properties, we have go to Property box. Here we can see different types of basic walls. From the drop-down list, we should select Generic 200 wall. Then we have to go to Edit type for editing the properties of the wall. To keep the original wall, first we have to duplicate the wall. And then rename the wall to wall 24. We can see here default width is 20. But we need the wall of width 24. For editing the width, we have to go to the Edit menu and change the value 20 to 24. Now we can see the default width has changed to 24. Now I will show how to draw the wall in the drawing. Before starting the drawing, we need to define the starting level and height of the wall. For that, we have to go to Constraint panel in Property box. The base constraint represent the starting level and top constraint represent the level for height of the wall. Here I choose the base constraint as plinth level and top constraint as wallen. Here I have already defined the wallen level as 300 cm. Here we can see a draw toolbar with the drawing tools. Using these tools, you can draw the wall in your drawing. Here I have already imported an AutoCAD plan. You refer our other videos to learn more about how to import an AutoCAD file into Revit. For learning purpose, here I am drawing the walls for this bedroom and toilet only. You can see the wall that we drawn. Thanks for watching this video.